Hello friends. It's great to see you here again. This financial series has presented an instructive and useful series on the topic of car or auto insurance. There are several aspects of car insurance, and we will attempt to cover them all here. What is car insurance and how does it work? Auto or car insurance is a type of financial protection that protects you, your vehicle, and others. While most states require a minimum amount or type of coverage, industry experts recommend having more robust financial protection in case of a costly loss. Auto insurance covers certain injuries, damages, and liabilities. Coverage limits can be set to meet your needs, though not all coverage types are available in all states or for all policies. Deductibles also vary by coverage type. A higher deductible means you are willing to pay more if you file a claim, which can reduce your premium. More than a dozen unique rating variables determine how much you pay for auto insurance. Comparing quotes from multiple insurers is important because each one uses different rating factors and weights when determining rates. Depending on your policy, you may be able to file a claim for damages caused by an uninsured motorist, weather, theft, vandalism, or other events. Similarly, if another driver is at fault in an accident, their insurance may help cover your medical bills and property damage, depending upon the state. What are the types of car insurance? Most auto insurance companies offer similar coverage, though there are exceptions, especially with endorsements. Some companies may offer gap coverage while others do not. Most states require drivers to carry certain minimum limits of these coverage types. Liability coverage for bodily injury pays for injuries caused by you in an accident. In an accident, property damage liability pays for damage to another's vehicle or property, like a fence, pole, or building. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage pays for injuries and damages caused by drivers who lack adequate or no coverage. Personal injury protection, PIP, also known as no-fault insurance, pays for medical expenses incurred by you and your passengers after an accident, regardless of fault. It also covers non-medical expenses like lost wages and childcare costs. In no-fault states, PIP is required. MedPay is similar to PIP insurance but only covers medical expenses. Some states require it, while others don't. A full coverage policy includes the following coverage types and adds coverage for damage to your vehicle if you finance or lease it. This coverage pays for damage caused by a collision. If you collide with another car, a tree, a pole, a building, or a pedestrian, your collision coverage pays for the damage. Comprehensive insurance covers non-collision losses like theft, vandalism, and storm damage. Comprehensive also covers animal-related injuries and cracked windshields. There are other options worth discussing with your insurer. And every state has different insurance laws, and every driver is different. An agent can help you determine the best coverage types and limits for your needs. What are the various auto insurance discounts? Most major auto insurers offer the following car insurance discounts. Multi-policy, multi-line, or bundling can save you money on multiple policies with the same company. This discount is often given for having both home and auto insurance. But it can also be given for having other policies like renters, pet, or life insurance. A multi-car discount could save you money if you insure multiple vehicles. Claims-free is usually offered after 3 to 5 years of no losses. Full-time students under the age of 25 with a certain GPA or letter grade usually qualify for a good student discount. Many car insurance companies now offer telematics programs. These programs track your driving habits via a mobile app or a plug-in device. Less risky driving saves more. Remember that state insurance laws vary. Some coverage and discounts may not be available where you live. Why location matters when choosing car insurance. Auto insurance rates are influenced by many factors, including your city, state, and zip code. If you recently relocated, you should compare car insurance providers to ensure your current policy still meets your needs. Moving across state lines is especially important, as auto insurance is not standardized nationwide. How much is car insurance? The answer to the question, how much is car insurance, is highly dependent on the personal rating factors and vehicle information provided when requesting a quote. Full coverage policies cost an average of $1,655. A policy with full coverage includes liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. What are the factors besides coverage types and levels will impact your final cost? Because insurers base premiums on perceived risk, the following factors and more can affect your premium. Accidents, tickets, or DUI convictions. You'll pay more for coverage if you have a bad driving record. Age and driving experience. Younger drivers have less experience on the road, making accidents more likely. State and city insurance laws, accident statistics, and living costs vary by state. In most states, your city and zip code can affect your rate. Less coverage and lower limits mean lower premiums, but less financial protection and higher out-of-pocket costs in the event of an accident. Make and model of vehicle. Each vehicle has unique features that affect the likelihood of accidents, the severity of accidents, and the cost of repairs. As a result, insurance rates vary by vehicle. Credit-based insurance score. In most states, your credit tier determines your claim likelihood. Credit-challenged drivers pay higher premiums. A history of insurance lapses can result in higher premiums when re-entering the market. Finally, in this whole financial series, we discussed about car insurance, including what is car insurance and how does it work, what are the types of car insurance, what are the various auto insurance discounts, why location matters when choosing car insurance, how much is car insurance, and much more. Hope you understand and found this financial series more instructive and useful. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a beautiful day.